Hey family, it's good to have you back. We've all been there with old and tired hair that has seen better days. I have. I've had my braid for like 3 weeks now and I haven't done nothing to it. But fear not, because today I'm about to show you the secrets to cleanse and pamper your braids so you can carry them with style and freshness. If you've been wearing your braids for a while, you may notice some buildup on your scalp. This buildup can sometimes be flaky or clustered to your hair root, or just look like dogs clogged onto your hair. It can be caused by dandruff, sweat, dirt, and product buildup. And this buildup sometimes they get so itchy and very uncomfortable. It smells also, and it can be very uncomfortable to people around you. To get rid of it, you need a bottle filled with warm water, a clarifying shampoo, but for the sake of this video I'll be using my Ghana black soap. I love that very well. And a towel, of course. First, I start by spraying my scalp with warm water to make the buildup soft or dissolve to be easily washed off. Then I apply a small amount of my black Ghana soap to my scalp and use my hand to gently massage my scalp for a few minutes. This will help remove any buildup and allow the soap to distribute evenly and stimulate blood flow to my scalp. I'll continue this process to make sure that my whole scalp is cleansed from all product buildup or whatsoever. I rinse my hair thoroughly with warm water and make sure to get all of the soap out of my hair. I make sure to let the water flow through the entire length of my braids. This simple yet effective method allows the water to gently cleanse away any residue that may have accumulated on my braids over time. It's time to condition my braids. For this, I'll be using Tresemme. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but yeah, Tresemme Rich Moisture Conditioner. This conditioner provides deep hydration and nourishment to dry and damaged hair. It contains vitamin E and biotin, which helps to strengthen and protect the hair, as well as aloe vera, which helps to soothe and moisturize the scalp. I apply a generous amount of it to my braids and use my hand to distribute the conditioner evenly throughout my hair. When I'm done doing this to the rest of the braids, I'll cover with a towel and let the conditioner sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or let's just say 10 minutes, yeah. After which I will go wash it off. I will do the washing off camera, then I'll come back with a already washed hair. During washing, I will use cool water to wash. Why I use cool water to rinse thoroughly is because that it will help to seal the cuticles and lock in moisture. Yeah, I'm done rinsing my hair and I'm back. So after rinsing, I'll use my blow dryer to dry off my hair. I use the blow dryer set on cool to dry my hair. If you're using heat, make sure you hold the blow dryer at least 6 inches away from your hair, to avoid heat damage. Once the hair is dry, now it's time to oil my scalp, and I'll be using my homemade aloe vera oil. If you haven't watched my previous video on where I talked about how I use aloe vera to detangle my hair, in that video I also showed how I make my homemade aloe vera oil. So if you haven't watched the video, this is the time to go back and watch it because it's very informative. So I will take a little amount of the oil, I will apply it to my scalp, and then I'll properly massage it using my fingers. I'll massage it properly to keep my hair refreshed and shiny. Oh yeah, we are done. And of course, I love to have my edges on sleek. What's the hair without a very beautiful edges? Don't you see how beautiful the hair is already looking shiny and beautiful? And the black color of the passion twist is already, is shining. The shine is shining, if you get what I'm talking about. The shine is shining. And that is it for washing, cleansing, conditioning, moisturizing, and refreshing your braids to look very, very beautiful after having it for a while. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave your comment down below, subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips and tutorials, and then see you in my next video.